This house is really special to me, so the things that come into the house really jump out, stand out, and I'll know immediately they're going to look great.
It's a rented property, so I've really enjoyed the challenge of making this house a home.
I bought window film direct through the website, followed the instructions for measuring the window.
Put the measurements in online and it brought up the cost and ordered straight from there. It was couriered in the next couple of days, so it was really quick. The window film was really easy to install. There was a plastic squeegee included in the packaging, along with the instructions for how to install it.
It looks great, easy to clean, easy to fit. Anyone can do it. It took me about 20 minutes. I love to have a lot of light coming into the house. So again, the window film, it provides the cover and the privacy and lets the whole flood of light through.
I've worked really hard to get my house the way I wanted it. It makes me really proud that it's something that I've built for my children from scratch, really.
When my home is looking good, I feel like I'm under control and I can tackle the world. Although I probably never would, because I never like leaving my home when it looks really nice. I can just sit there and look at it all day.